Welcome back to Ant on the Move. Today we are talking about a very specific point regarding guest tickets at SeaWorld Orlando. So let's dive right in. Alright, so if you have purchased a silver, gold, or platinum pass at SeaWorld Orlando, you have access to guest tickets. You get 2 with silver, 4 with gold, and 6 with platinum. But there are some confusing factors regarding these guest tickets. I've made a whole video about how to use guest tickets, but today I want to talk about a specific point, and I have to find where this point is at, because they do make it a little bit tricky to find. So let's see if we can come down here to the information. So we see blocking out dates here. That's not what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking for this information here. Sorry, I made the cursor bigger so you can see where I'm at. But we're looking at this part here about free guest tickets. And so we want to see how we use them. So this is a very important part. Get this part. Oh, hang on. Let's highlight from this direction. We can see it better. Alright, it's right there. So free tickets are distributed on a rolling calendar basis, which was something I did not know when I made my previous video. And so we need to check and see when we can use our guest tickets. So let's click here and we will find out. So they have this nice cool graphic, and this seems to be permanent, kind of what their redemption window is. So if you have a silver pass, you have access to 1 free ticket between January 3rd and September 30th. Then again in October 1st to January 2nd. Gold Pass members, you have access to 1 ticket January 3rd through May 15th, 2 between May 16th and September 30th, and 1 in October, from October to January 2nd. Platinum, you have 2 spaced out during those 3 time periods as well. But this is something I didn't know when I made my first video, so I apologize to anyone who's tried to use all their guest tickets at one time. I didn't know this. I had no clue. So my apologies if you have had any difficulties with that. But this is how they're doing it. This is where, when you can use your guest tickets. So this is important to know. If you do show up to the park and have additional people with you, I believe there is a discount to get tickets. I don't remember what that discount is. Let's see if we can find out real quick here. If we're bringing in more people, what's our discount? Discount on... And, oh, you know what? I don't think it's year-round, now that I'm looking at this again. Oh. Well, they say... Oh, yeah. Exclusive guest tickets discounts right here. But they don't tell us what those discounts are. And I know sometimes that they're different times of the year. So, there can be like a special, like September is Pass Member Appreciation Month or whatever, and so they will give you 1 free additional guest ticket during that month. But there are discounts. I personally do not know what the how much you get off, what the price is. So if you happen to know and have used the exclusive guest ticket discounts, if you know more about that, please drop a comment down below so that we can all know that information. I don't take a lot of guests to SeaWorld with me, so I haven't used this information as much, so I'm not as familiar. But hopefully, if you know, you can let me know, and we can all share the information and bring more people to SeaWorld with us. So that's just the point I wanted to make sure you guys knew, is that there is certain times you can use your tickets, and again, once they are gone, they are gone. You don't get to use the tickets. You can't, I don't think you can, like, hold them over and then use them in the next redemption period. I'm going to try to contact SeaWorld and ask them about that. If I find out an answer, I'll post it somewhere or drop it somewhere so you guys know. But as far as I know, if you don't use them during that time, they're gone. They don't roll over. But I will try to find out and let you know. So thanks for watching this Ant on the Move video. If you have any comments, questions, information that I missed, please drop a comment down below and we'll share the knowledge together. So thanks for watching. Tune in next time for the next Ant on the Move video.